what's up, and welcome back to another interview at Step Dubai 2025. I'm Adel, the host, and today we have Ravi with us from Solarkits. Ravi, how are you doing today?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. Thank you.
Good. Let's tell us a bit about your story. What brings you here today? Why Step Conference, and why Step Conference exactly?
So basically, I believe in climate change, and my solution is around that. And I'm building a Solarkits. It's an online platform for B2B.
Okay.
And who's like a businesses and around the solar installations, they can use our platform, and we provide them ready-made kits, and they can just choose our platform to grow their business without any inventory, without any warehousing. So we support for their all operations, and we also provide them finance later on when they are qualifying for that. So it's kind of a win-win for both, like for ecosystem, and we are developing this kind of ecosystem for renewable energy, especially solar. So we are currently operating in India, but we soon start our business in Dubai as a hub. So because it's a hub for the world to have pioneer in the energy systems. So we can just be here and promote this kind of ecosystem around the world. We can provide the material, and we can provide the ecosystem for anybody who wants to start the solar business, right?
Wow.
So that is a vision, and that is a mission I'm working for.
So, but as a solar kit, you have a warehouse for having these all these solar kits that you provide? Yeah. I see. And you sell these individually, or how do you sell them?
We sell it to only B2B players who wants to install for their customers. So there are different verticals like a residential solar, commercial solar, different applications. And
so a quick question: what is the best-selling product right now?
So residential kits.
Residential?
Yep.
Okay, so everyday people can use it.
Every day, and on the house, they
on
have
the roof.
They have roof, yeah. So they can utilize the roof, and they can have a free power, right?
Solar panels.
Yeah, solar panels.
Free electricity. Free.
Yeah,
Free.
It's free.
Completely free.
It is free after you install. It's completely free, right?
After you install.
Yeah.
How much is the installation cost on average?
In average, the installation cost is like 1,500 to 200 USD. Sorry,
1,500?
2,000 USD.
2,000 USD.
Yeah. If it's a normal house, like a normal consumption and normal house, otherwise it can go. It depends actually, from house to house.
It only works from house. It won't work on a flat. I mean, because if the flat has above you, if you have another, it won't work.
It won't work for the flat, because for flat there are many tenants. There are many people living in the same
under the same
place, because the roof is not so much big.
Yeah.
So you can't accommodate there.
Okay.
But yeah,
most people are living in flats than homes. Arguably, depending on city life versus rural life. Okay, still good to know.
Yeah.
But say if you are still living in an apartment, can you still use this product?
For the apartment, there are different solutions for that.
Okay.
It's like you can create a kind of a system where you can create a solar park, and from the solar park that they can get the electricity.
Okay.
So it can be possible, but it's a different way.
Different way.
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Say if you buy a plot of land that is not in the same place as you. You buy a plot of land and you put all the solar panels just in that land, just for solar panels.
Yeah.
This electricity can go to your home?
Yeah, it can happen like that.
It can happen like that?
So we have to evaluate that which area needs that what capacity of power.
Yes, because maybe this area has more sun than my home area. And I want this
you can do that, yeah.
Yeah, but you would need to connect the solar panels all the way to the home.
Yeah.
You need to connect it.
There is already a grid, right?
Grid.
I mean, grid is that.
Yeah.
So you can connect with the grid anytime. So it's like whenever your house you don't have that capacity of terrace in your house, right? Like a flat. So you can connect with the grid, and the power can be still solar power.
You can also sell the grid. I mean, not sell the whole thing, but you can rent it. You can rent it.
also sell power to the government.
To the government?
Yeah, to the government.
Wow, look at this.
Yeah.
This is good ideas.
Yeah.
Really nice. So Ravi, amazing. For those who are watching, where can they find more information about your company?
Yeah, you can go on the Solarkits website.
Okay.
It's solarkits.in.
Okay.
And we have different versions, like for the country wise.
Okay.
We will launch soon, and right now we already launched in India.
Nice.
So
Congrats.
people can use that free power, and they can use this tool to get the solar material and all that in single website, like an app.
Wonderful. I wish you all the best, Ravi.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for the interview. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this insightful. We'll leave all the links in the description so you can check out Ravi's profile as well as Solarkits. Thank you again. I'm Adel, the host. I'll see you next time. Cheers.